y'all, I'm Jeanette Keynes from Jewelry Arts Inc. And this is Chasing and Repousse 16. I'm going to show you some really important cleanup techniques and tips before we start getting ready to set our enamel. Okay, so here's the progress report. Everything is soldered and put together. So I am doing a little bit of like cleanup like along these edges with my favorite white silicone wheel. I've been polishing, you know, the little edges along here, just doing some sort of semi-final cleanup. Then I may give this edge right here kind of a high shine because I feel like I'm gonna go in and highlight in these deeper areas, probably using my silicon carbide burnisher. You know, I like to have this sort of matte and shiny, and I think having this edge shiny will be good too. So I'm using the white silicone wheel, boop, to smooth it out, and then I might just use one of my square sifty wheels on here. But once I get it smoothed out, I will make that decision. But pretty happy with how it looks. I really just have some fine tuning to do with some of the polishing. And then I'll be ready to set. So like I said, I'm gonna do a little more fine tuning. When I need to do really delicate cleanup, when I need to see every detail, I usually do it under one of these magnifiers because I can see everything, it's really bright. And also then the stuff that kicks up from this doesn't hit me in the face because it hits this, so. Works really well. I'm gonna get my Swifty wheel. You guys should be used to this by now. I just talk to myself. A little bit from column A, a little bit from column B. So I've switched over to my Swifty wheel, and I'm gonna use that on that edge to kind of just give me a beautiful shiny rim, which I think I'm gonna like, but if I don't, then I'll do something else. Oh no, the shiny edge is good.
You know you like that, right?
Yep. Burp, burp. You're like, oh, sexy goodness. Mm-hmm. Well, it's just having the contrast is always good. So they're kind of matte, but then having some shiny lines, it's good. Oh yeah.
She's walking like 30 blocks up to that one from.
Quite possible.
Repousse what?
Yeah, she likes to walk. I mean, I like to walk too, but I don't know. So I'm gonna go scrub this with a little bit of Dawn. I think I'm done using the Swifty wheel on the edge. I'll probably do the real fine tuning at the very end, but I like things to be as close to final finish as possible before I start setting. So here's a little progress report. I shined around the outside edge, which I dig it. I'm also going to go in and highlight the, those indents there with a burnisher eventually. But I don't think I'm going to do that now. I think I'm going to wait until I fill it with Jet Set, just as a precautionary measure. There's the extreme macro view.